Happy New Year, guys. It's Fitness with Flex, and we're gonna get right down into it. Today's the 2nd of January, and pretty much this is where the year starts for most of us. Technically, we started yesterday, but I'm pretty sure many of us were recovering from a hangover, me included. So today on January 2nd, everyone has the goal, especially beginners that have never worked out before, of achieving their New Year's fitness resolution. You know, you want to get fit now. Today, everyone's going hard. Everyone's motivated. The sad thing is that motivation doesn't really last. You know, you guys are going to feel motivated probably this whole month. But in February, are you still going to be after your fitness resolution? That's the question. Now, I'm going to give you guys one tip, especially for beginners, that I feel is what detours about 99% of people from ever achieving their fitness goal. And that pretty much is the weight scale. You could use the weight scale as a tool, maybe weigh yourself once a week or so, but many people have the habit of weighing themselves every single day, and all you're doing is messing yourself up psychologically, because the weight scale is not telling you how fat you are. The weight scale is just giving you an overall number of how much you weigh. You know, you have bone mass, you have water weight, you have muscle mass, and you have body fat. So the most important thing is to get rid of the body fat. You want to maintain your muscle mass. It's going to help you stay leaner. You're going to look better. You're going to be toned. You're not going to have saggy skin. So, you know, if you're weight training and you're also trying to lose body fat, just because the weight scale isn't moving doesn't mean that you're not losing body fat. Remember, you're weight training. You're also putting on muscle mass. So now imagine this. If you lose 5 pounds of fat but gain 2 pounds of muscle and you weigh yourself, you're not going to weigh 5 pounds less. You're only going to weigh 3 pounds less. Now again, this might mess you up psychologically, because you might be telling yourself, yo, I've been doing all this exercise, been dieting like crazy, and I've only lost 3 pounds. And in your head, you're like, I probably did like 5-6 pounds worth of work. Why have I only lost 3 pounds? And it's because of that. So if you guys just stick to weighing yourself maybe once a week or so, it will be a lot easier for you mentally, and you'll be able to stay on track. No one is gonna feel encouraged to keep on going if you weigh yourself on the weight scale and it's not moving or it's staying still. Now, the best way is to take pictures of yourself and compare them and see your progress from week to week. That's the only way you're really going to see if you're losing body fat. Also, the way that your clothes is fitting you. That's also another good way to see if you're losing body fat or not. But do not rely too much on the weight scale, especially if you're a beginner. All right, guys, I hope this quick tip helped you guys out achieve your New Year's fitness resolution.